Inspire 2. Replacing the gimbal dampers. Replace the dampers if they are damaged, not flexible, or cracked. Remove the dampers fixing pieces in the forward vision bracket with a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the 3 dampers from the gimbal vibration absorbing board. Do not damage the gimbal quick-release port data cable. Mount the new dampers to the gimbal vibration absorbing board. Pay close attention to the installation direction. Ensure that the dampers are mounted in place. Mount the fixing pieces. Pull out the vibration absorbing board and check whether the dampers are firmly attached. Trim off the excess part of the dampers. If they have been used 120 times or more than 40 hours, it is recommended that you replace the dampers. Thank you for watching.